Yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kino Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and novel platform. You know how we do it over here. Talk about how to make money online and a lot of stuff. Yeah, so today I want to give you the new update about Neptune Network, what you have to know before September 15th, and the mistakes you have to avoid, and what you shouldn't do, and what you have to do. Yeah, so I know you'll pay attention to me and listen to me from the beginning to the end. Yeah, so number one is that Neptune Network right now 180 is 2 USDT. And you know the reason why they are doing it. First of all, to get a lot of investors, investors, investors. That is why I said that if you are in that one, you can be in a deferred trade so that you will not lose the money. But if you're not in, and right now someone have introduced Neptune Network to you, please don't invest. And the reason why the Neptune network is going up is that to attract more investors. And it's a red flag to me. For real, it's a red flag to me. Some people will say that, but you said you have withdrawn the money and blah. That one I did the video for those who are inside. But if you are yet to be inside, don't do it. Number two, I said things you have to know before 15 September. I said the first one is what? To get a lot of investors. That is why the NT is now going up. And the second one is what? Join the DEFA. If only you already have release coins. Release coins. And if I say release coins, those who are already in Neptune Network know what I'm talking about. So if you have the release coins and you are not in a deferred trade, they are saying that on the 2nd September, if you're not in a deferred trade, they will destroy all your coins. So to keep your coins, please join the deferred trade so that you not end up losing your coins. Yeah, because the reason why they're saying is that some people are on Neptune Network just for the farming game and they are not in the DEFA. So those people too may also lose their money because Neptune Network is more of the DEFA trading. Yeah. And those who are also ambassadors that Neptune Network pay them, yeah, for referring people to the platform. If you haven't joined the DEFA trade, you will also lose your release coins. So these are some of the things you have to know before September. That is why I've taken my time to do all these videos. And third, you have to know that the Neptune Network business certificate doesn't mean they are legit. They are legit. Yeah. The business certificate that Neptune Network always show, it doesn't mean that they are legit, because I did a research about this, the finance.gov, and they made me know that the inclusion of a business on the MSB registrant search web page is not recommendation. Certificate of legitimacy or endorsement of the business by a government agency. And let me go here and let's say something. So I search about them, And I searched about the code they gave me, and they made me know that having a certificate on this platform doesn't guarantee you of what being this thing. So this certificate of Neptune Network, this is a certificate. Yeah. So I've done a lot of research about this thing. And having this certificate from the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, Department of Treasury, doesn't mean that the company is what legitimate. I hope you understand. It doesn't mean that. So let me read for you to see. So this is the code for Neptune Network. So I'll search for you to see. But I want to read better. The inclusion of the business on the MSB registration search web page is not a recommendation, certificate of legitimacy, or endorsement of business by any government agency. So it means that you can register your name on the web with this MSB registrant search, and you still can be fake. And the reason why I was saying that, I made this and trace their location, and that one I will show you all in a new video. So them keeping on posting their business certificate is a red flag to me, because the business certificate doesn't guarantee a legitimacy or a legal work. That business certificate is that people can search your products online. Is that thing? So that doesn't mean that it's legal or not. Yeah. So when I did my research, it was a red flag to me, and I've done a lot of videos about it, about how I trace them into their office. I will upload that video too. And this business have been there for, let's say, it has been there for 1 year now. Yeah, 1 year now. And this what you have to know. A business, at first they used to post things on Twitter, right now, like known as X, but right now they don't post over there. They only post in their Telegram groups. That one you can't comment. So that one too, if you are an agency that you have opened Neptune Network office that you used to promote and invite people, close it before it's too late. Before it's too late. And the reason why I'm saying that you have to close is that right now, Neptune Network have done a lot of things that have gained people attention for them to invest more. And there is no way Neptune Network will say that the NTA coin will be, let's say, €4 and they will still pay people. So if you are an agency and you've introduced a lot of people in this close with business, because a business that an admin can't reply to your message is some way. And right now, if you invest, it will go. But if you withdraw, it will not go. It's a red flag. So you have to notice these things. And five. I did a video about doing a withdrawing, and people were saying that blah 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 blah, a lot of stuff is strong, is strong, is strong, is strong, is strong. Everybody has his or her opinion, so I will not talk much about it. But what I'm trying to say is what, back up your private key. Private key. I know the reason why I'm saying that, because when Neptune Network comes up right now, a lot of people are gaining a lot of coins, so they can be like, the app just shut down, so download it again. So if you download it again and you try to access it, they will tell you that you have to paste your private key. So if you don't have the private key, that means you lost your fund like that. You see? So I would advise you that right now you have to back up your private key. Screenshot it somewhere or copy it and paste it somewhere. I know what I am saying, because right now there are people gaining money from the DeFi trade a lot, and when they activate their account, they will pay all these people. So they will try to do some things to cut some people off. So if you're not in the DeFi, they will cut you off. They can be like, okay, like update your Neptune Network app. You can update it, and when you try to log in, it will not come. It will be like paste your wallet key. And if you don't have the wallet key, you lose your fund like that, unless you start from scratch and invest again. I know what I am saying. I know what I'm saying. So these are some of the things that you have to do before the September, so that you will not be like, yo, I didn't back up my private key, I didn't do this, I didn't do that. That is why I've done this video, to tell you everything, because a lot of people right now are saying that it's scam, and a lot of people too are out waiting for the day. So me, what I will advise you is that follow what I'm saying. If you are new to it and you haven't invested, don't invest. Wait for the 15th September so that you can invest. If you haven't joined the DeFi and you have release coins, join the DeFi. We get less than, let's say, $20, join the DeFi. And don't let their business certificate be like, okay, it's legit, so I'll invest. Don't do it. And if you have agency that you still take people money to register them on Neptune, close it. Don't do it. And if you haven't back up your private key, back up your private key, because some things can happen next month. So back up your private key so that you will not hear any stories. Yeah. So these are some of the things you have to do before September 15th. Thank you for watching me, and you can subscribe for more.